Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you guys how to clean and how to cook the chicken livers. This method to prevent them from tasty bitter and to make sure they cook properly and also clean in the correct way. This one the chicken liver that we get from the supermarket, and then we gonna clean with the water one times. And then we gonna let the liver soak with the 2 tablespoons of the vinegar and 1 tablespoon of the salt, and then mix it until homogeneous and just soak it for 5 minutes. And after we soak it, remove the vinegar out and then clean with the water until the water is get clear. If you doesn't want to boil it, you can continue to cook with the other recipe. But if you want to cook it first, just use kaffir leaf for 5 or 6 leaf. Or if you doesn't have, you can just use for ginger 2 or 3 slice pieces. And then make it the boil for the water with the medium heat. The water is hot, just put our chicken leaf into the water and then boil it. And after you boil it, will have the bubble on top of the water. Remove it all and then continue to cook it for 5 minutes. And after we remove the bubble and boil it for 5 minutes, and then our chicken leaf is already cooked. And you can see the color is not dark and also not bitter if you taste, and also not is also the good smell. You can cook in the other recipe. And thank you for watching my video, and I hope you guys give this try for this recipe, and see you next time.